Hey guys, it's Roger Oscar Mike coming to you from the baseball game tonight, and we're about to get rained out. And as you can see behind me, we got Greensboro Grasshoppers showing it down. We got the kids going at it, they're having a good time. We got some really wicked storms out in the field, and that's about game tonight. But everybody's out having a good time. Check it out.